How to turn on or turn off developer mode on Discord easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off the developer mode easy on Discord. So first thing, this is the homepage of the Discord as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go down and click on this option. After you click on this option, you will find many options right here. All what you have to do is go down and search for behavior option, and here is it. As you can see, click on it like this and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find the developer mode. You can enable it or disable it as you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.